Regretting You by Colleen Hoover, a powerful tale of family and forgiveness. Colleen Hoover, renowned for her captivating storytelling and ability to evoke profound emotions, delivers yet another masterpiece with Regretting You. This novel delves deep into the complexities of family dynamics, the enduring bonds of love, and the challenging journey toward forgiveness and healing. Through a narrative rich with unexpected twists and heartfelt moments, Hoover crafts a story that resonates with readers on many levels, offering valuable life lessons along the way. Plot summary. Regretting You follows the intertwined lives of Morgan Grant and her teenage daughter, Clara. Morgan, who became a mother at a young age, has always placed her family at the center of her life, striving to provide stability and love. However, her dreams and aspirations were put on hold, and she settled into a life that felt more like an obligation than a choice. Clara, on the other hand, is a typical teenager with her own dreams and a budding romance with a boy named Miller. She is eager to carve her own path, yet feels stifled by her mother's overprotectiveness. The novel takes a dramatic turn when a tragic accident shatters their lives, leaving Morgan grappling with grief and secrets that threaten to unravel everything she thought she knew. As Morgan struggles to cope with the loss of her husband and her sister, she discovers hidden truths that challenge her perception of love and loyalty. Meanwhile, Clara is dealing with her own grief and confusion, further straining the mother-daughter relationship. Hoover skillfully alternates perspectives between Morgan and Clara, allowing readers to experience the raw emotions and inner turmoil each character faces. This dual narrative adds depth to the story, highlighting the misunderstandings and miscommunications that can occur between parents and their children. Themes and learnings. The complexity of family relationships. Regretting You explores the intricate web of family relationships, emphasizing that even the closest bonds can be fraught with tension and misunderstandings. Morgan and Clara's relationship exemplifies the typical struggles between a parent trying to protect her child and a teenager yearning for independence. The novel encourages readers to appreciate the complexities of family life and to approach conflicts with empathy and understanding. The path to forgiveness. Forgiveness is a central theme in the novel. As Morgan uncovers painful secrets about her loved ones, she is forced to confront feelings of betrayal and anger. The journey to forgiveness is depicted as a difficult yet necessary process for healing and moving forward. Through Morgan's experience, Hoover illustrates that forgiveness is not about condoning the actions of others but about freeing oneself from the burden of resentment. The power of love and resilience. Despite the turmoil and heartbreak, Regretting You ultimately conveys a message of love and resilience. Morgan's unwavering love for her daughter serves as a beacon of hope, guiding her through the darkest moments. The novel underscores the idea that love, in its many forms, has the power to heal wounds and bring people together, even in the face of adversity. The importance of self-discovery. Both Morgan and Clara embark on journeys of self-discovery throughout the novel. Morgan learns to redefine her identity beyond being a wife and mother, while Clara navigates the challenges of adolescence and first love. Hoover highlights the importance of self-awareness and personal growth, encouraging readers to embrace change and pursue their own dreams, regardless of societal expectations or past mistakes. Communication is key. The novel underscores the significance of open and honest communication within families. Many of the conflicts between Morgan and Clara arise from assumptions and unspoken feelings. Regretting You serves as a reminder that meaningful conversations can bridge gaps, resolve misunderstandings, and strengthen relationships. Character development. Colleen Hoover excels in creating multidimensional characters. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on a journey of knowledge together.